stand over here then.
I can't.
I'm too tall for that camera anyway.
No, you're not.
Oh no.
Ow.
Okay.
Damn, girl. Damn, you're fucking with the man.
Where's the hole?
Right there. Damn, girl, you fucking with the man, girl. I should call Shelby.
Do it.
Hang on. My helium's gone already.
Call it first and then let's finish.
Hang on. I told her what we were doing this. It's not gonna be as funny. Hang on. Get some real quick. And then I'm gonna get some, but don't let it go yet. I'll give me some.
Oh my god. Ow, my throat hurts. Damn, girl, you fucking with the man, girl. I'm sucking out helium, and
Oh my god, I love helium. Keely, give me more.
Damn, girl, helium. Oh my god, damn, girl, how you doing?
Oh my god, we're gonna keep the lens so when you come over this weekend, we're gonna do it. Yeah. Alright, Keely, don't hog the helium.
Oh my god, I am so fucking dizzy right now. Oh my god. Okay. Where's the helium? Damn, girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't think of the rest of the lyrics.
Okay. I just wanted to call you and sing you that song on helium, so. Alright, I'll text